In this lecture, we'll see a problem based on Newton divided difference. The problem is use divided difference formula to find f of 2.5 for the data. X datas are -3, -1, 0, 3, 5. You can see this is unequal interval, and f of x values are -30, 33, -12, 330 and 3458. So this value we'll see in the form of divided difference table. So solution here. So we'll first collect the values for x here. So x values. So this is x0, x1, x2, x3, x4 value. So x0 value is -3. x1 value is -1. x2 value is 0. x3 value is 3 and x4 value is 5. Next, f of x column. So f of x0 value from the table is -30. F of x1 is 33. F of x2 is -12. F of x3 is 330. F of x4 is 3458. So once we get this x and f of x, so we need to go for the first difference, first divided difference. So first divided difference means we'll get the answer of f of x0 comma x1, that is 33 minus it will become +30 divided by x1 minus x0, that is -1 minus of -3, so it will become -1 plus 3, and the resultant will become here 31.5. Next is, if you simplify, so we need to get the value of f of x1 comma x2, that is -12 minus 33 divided by x2 minus x1, that is 0 minus of -1, so 0 plus 1, so the resultant will be -45. Next, f of x2 comma x3, which is 330 minus of minus, it will become +12 divided by x3 minus x2, that is 3 minus 0, and here this simplification will become 114. Next, if you simplify this, so we are going to get f of x3 comma x4, that is 3458 minus 330 divided by 5 minus 3, so we'll get here 1564. So this difference table. So next I will write the second difference. So -45, so this is the answer of f of x0, x1, x2. So -45 minus 31.5 divided by x2 minus x0, that is 0 minus of -3 is +3. So here the direct I am writing the calculation, that is -25.5, and if you go for this calculation, that is we'll get the answer of f of x1, x2, x3, that is 114 minus of minus is +45, 114 plus 45 divided by x3 minus x0, x1, that is 3 minus of -1 is +1, so 3 plus 1, so we'll get the answer here as it will be 39.75. we check the calculation here. Next, to get this result, so we are going to get f of x2, x3 and x4 from this, and this from this calculation, that is 1564 minus 114 divided by x4 minus x2. x4 is 5 minus x2, that is 0. So 5 minus 0, so we'll get here this result as 290. Similarly, third divided difference. So we are going to get the resultant of these two. So we are going to get the answer of x0, x1, x2, x3 we are going to get. So this calculation, so resultant will be 10.875, and this result on simplification will get f of x1, x2, x3 and x4, and from this we are going to get the answer as 41.7083. okay, so once we get, so we need to calculate final, that is fourth divided difference. So this fourth one, so on simplification of this we are going to get f of x0, x1, x2, x3 and x4. So here the answer will be 3.8542. Up to 4 decimal you have to round up. So we are going to get this. So we are going to collect this answer, this answer, this answer as well, this and f of x0 value, and we'll apply this for in the Newton divided formula, and we know that the value, required value is x value is 2.5. So we'll see the formula now. So this is the formula for Newton divided difference. F of x is equal to f of x0 plus x minus x0 into f of x0 comma x1 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 plus x minus x0, x minus x1 into x minus x2 into f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 comma x3 plus x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 into f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma x4. From the table we have to collect. So we need to find f of 2.5, so which implies the value of x is 2.5. So from the table if you apply directly, so f of 2.5 is equal to f of x0 value. So f of x0 value from the table it is minus 30 plus x value is 2.5 minus x0 value from the table it is minus 3, it will become plus 3 into f of x0 comma x1 from the table it is 31.5 plus 2.5 minus x0 is minus 3, that is it will become plus 3. So x minus x1, that is 2.5 minus x1 value is again minus 1, that minus this minus will become plus 1 into f of x0, x1, x2 value from the table it is minus 25.5 plus next term will be x minus x0, that is 2.5 plus 3, x minus x1, that is 2.5 plus 1, x minus x2, so x2 value from the table it is 0, so 2.5 minus 0 into f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 comma x3 from the table it is 10.875 plus the last term, I will take it down here, that is x minus x0, that is 2.5 plus 3, 2.5 plus 1, 2.5 minus 0, x minus x3, x3 value from the table is 3, that is 2.5 minus 3 into f of x0, x1, x2, x3, x4 from the table it is 3.8542. So you have to enter these all value in the calculator and see. So I will show here in the calculator. That is minus 30 plus bracket 2.5 plus 3 close the bracket into 31.5 close the bracket plus 2.5 plus 3 close the bracket into one next bracket is 2.5 plus 1 into minus 225.5 close the bracket plus next term is 2.5 plus 3, 2.5 plus 1. Next bracket is 2.5 minus 0 is 2.5 only, into 10.875. So close the bracket, and the last value here it is, so plus 2.5 plus 3, 2.5 plus 1 into 2.5, close the bracket. Next 2.5, so here you can see here, so it is coming square box, so you better delete till previous term. So last term will type once again. So just see, I am deleting plus sign also. So till this 10.875 till here you type and press equal to sign, plus you type again once again this bracket here, that is 2.5 plus 3, 2.5 plus 1, okay, then 2.5 bracket 2.5, close the bracket, into 2.5 minus 3, close the bracket, into bracket 3.8542, because here space, it will not take much more space, so at least minimum 2 terms you add, then press equal to sign, then go for the remaining terms, better it is. So you can see here equal to, so we got here 82.99268, so we'll take up to 4 decimal place, 82.9927. so f of 2.5 will be 82.9927. So in this way we need to calculate a problem based on this Newton divided difference.